Well, if you get a chance to check out a new movie that I've had the opportunity to view while I was surfing down here in El Salvador, it's called Sounds of Waves. And it's an amazing movie of all these different sort of characters that travel around the world and play music and surf. It's a lot of fun. It was put together by a very great filmmaker, surfer / editor at large. And you got to check it out. Sounds of Waves. That's some incredible surfing in it. All right, everybody. Check it out. Dude, put that on Flickr, bitch.
What?
Do magical things.
I think music and surfing, you know, to me, they go together in a lot of ways, and then in a lot of ways they're different. But they're both very rhythmic, like the different sort of feelings you get when you're surfing and going over the different waves and swells and stuff. There's a rhythm to the ocean for sure.
I think music and surfing are very related, as well as art.